guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia and today I'm coming at you with this tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy this look. Okay, so I'm first going to start with my Tarte Shape Tape and prime my eyelids. And on an M441 by Morphe, I'm going to take this yellow shade and buff that all into my crease and push it up. Then on a Morphe M506, I'm going to take this shade and also buff that into my crease. And then going to go back in with that yellow shade with my Morphe M441 and blend yellow on top of this green to bring back the yellow. And then on my Morphe M433, I'm going to go in with this brown and also buff this into my crease and blend it up. On my Morphe M606, I'm going to go in with this green and kind of deepen it up just a tiny bit. And then on my Morphe M514, I'm going to go back in with that yellow and blend these two together. I'm then going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape and create my halo eye. And on my Morphe M167 flat brush, I'm going to go in with this blue shade and pack that all onto my halo eye. I'm then going to go in with this Morphe brush that does not have no name and go back in with that dark green and blend my outer edges together. Now I'm going to do the same on the other eye. And on my clean Morphe M443, I'm going to blend that dark green and the light green together on the outer edge. And on a Color Noir S22 brush, I'm going to take that dark green and put it under my eyes. And with my Maybelline Cat Eye mascara, I will put my mascara on. I'm going to go in with the Cocoa lashes in the style Stella. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.